So you want to know how to make tomato soup at home? This is the best recipe to make a simple tomato soup. Hi, this is Abby Jo at Forgotten Way Farms. Today, I'm going to be making a delicious tomato soup recipe with you. I got a whole bunch of requests from our last video on how to make tomato soup from scratch. So what you need for this recipe is just a half cup of flour, a quarter cup of butter, 2 cans of diced or whole tomatoes, about 15 ounces each, and basically 2 to 4 cups of milk. Some people like it really tomatoey, and some people like it creamier. An extra thing you can do is you can saute garlic or basil added to it, and that's another little side option you can add to the soup. But today we're just using butter, flour, tomatoes, and milk for just a really simple tomato soup recipe, and it's really good. 2 cans of diced or whole tomatoes, 15 ounces each. First, I take the 2 cans of tomatoes and I put them into my blender, and I blend on high until the tomatoes are nice and smooth. First, you're going to need a quarter cup of butter. Then I take the butter and I melt it over medium-high heat, half a cup of flour, and then I just mix it till it's a nice smooth paste. And 2 to 4 cups of milk, depending on how creamy and thick you would like it. Okay, see how it's getting really thick? And you just add the other half of that, and it's starting to thicken. After that, I dump in the tomato sauce, until it's all smooth and starting to thicken. If it's too thick at this point, I like to add a little bit of milk to thin it out a little bit, and then I put salt and pepper to taste. If you like our content, please support us by hitting that subscribe button. We make a new video every week on adventures in simple, cozy living, and food from scratch. We hope that you will be back to join us in our next video. I just hope you enjoyed this simple recipe, and I'm just gonna sit here and eat this, or stand here and eat this and watch my ducks.